The variety, I think that's what makes me most excited to come to work every day. The fact that I won't always be doing the same thing. It could be something different every day. I might run the same thing 2 days, but the next day it may be something completely different. My name is Sean Clark. I've worked at CURT for 2 years. I work in the Weld Department. I run a robot, and that robot robotically welds trailer hitches. I tack a hitch together, put the parts together, tack them up, let the robot run that hitch, look it over, make sure there's not any defects on it, and good to go. It's a pretty smooth run shop. Everybody's got their own workstation. We have, I think, 14 different robots and 15 or something like that, different manual weld booths where you sit and manual weld the hitches all day. And they come with brand new ventilation. They actually have air conditioning units attached to them so you don't overheat in the summertime. The lighting is a lot brighter than it used to be, so you can see what you're doing. You do not need experience to get the job. If they're worried about whether they're going to get trained or if the training they're going to get is going to be good or not, it will be good. We have a great training program. They'll go through a couple weeks of schooling if they're fresh to the welding world, and after that, the leads, if you ever need help, they'll help you. If you've worked here forever and you run into a problem, there's no problem. Somebody will always help you. We have a great leadership team. They're never gonna look down on you. If you're struggling, they're always gonna do everything they can to help you become a better person. Overall, the management of this company I've seen in the last 2 years has improved drastically. I feel safe here. I don't feel like my job's in jeopardy. If you like working with other people, you'll fit in just fine.